Today, we're installing and reviewing the Olixar glass screen protector for the Nothing phone. If you've recently received your Nothing phone, then you're probably going to want a screen protector to ensure your device looks brand new always. Let's start with the installation and see what it's like on the phone. In the box, you of course have the glass screen protector, the trusty cleaning pack which consists of a wet wipe, dust removal stickers and a microfiber cloth. As always, we suggest turning your phone off, just so the screen doesn't keep illuminating when you're trying to fit the screen protector. Next, remove any screen protector that may already be on the device. Our Nothing phones shipped with a film screen protector on. However, I always remove these as they're not very protective and actually get in the way of the experience in my opinion. With this done, it's time to clean the device, take the wet wipe and wipe off all fingerprints from the screen. Next, you'll need the microfiber cloth to remove any moisture left over from the wet wipe. Now, you're on to the most important part, getting rid of the dust that's on the display. Use the provided dust removal sticker to gather up all dust by repeatedly dabbing it over the screen. Take your time with this step, as any little bit left over will ruin the installation. Once you're satisfied there is no dust on the screen, you can turn your attention to the glass screen protector. If you want to use the guide stickers to help with this part, go ahead and pop one at each end. However, I'm actually going to carefully hold the glass by the edge and lower it onto the screen. When you're happy with the placement, press the center of the glass to help spread the adhesive across the screen evenly. If there are any bubbles, simply lift the nearest edge and push them out using the microfiber cloth. I always leave the screen protector on for at least a couple of minutes before pushing out any more bubbles, as this allows the adhesive to set. Next, turn on your device and re-add your fingerprint, as there is now a glass layer in between your thumb and the reader. Simply go into the settings, then security, then fingerprint, and delete your old one. Next, re-add yours and follow the instructions on the screen. You'll notice there has been no slowdown for the fingerprint reader, even with the glass screen protector installed. The best thing about having a glass screen protector is that it feels just like you're touching the screen. It's nice and smooth and really responsive. It feels a lot better than the film one that was installed by default. Also, the glass is really hard. You'll find you'll have a hard time scratching it, as we've found out by pushing quite hard with a nail. The edges on the screen protector are nice and smooth, with no visibly sharp corners. So you'll have no issues swiping left or right on the screen. Coverage of the screen is also great, with almost none of the screen showing, so you'll have a very hard time damaging the display. Also, a nice little touch is that it actually covers the camera. This means that the camera is a little bit more protected than if there was a cutout there. Overall, I think this glass screen protector is fantastic for the Nothing phone. It feels fantastic and it offers excellent coverage. If you want to pick one up, check out the links in the description below. And for more Nothing phone videos, please like and subscribe.